everyone, so this is the DIY kit for your chair. So what we should have inside is 2 big blocks. Your legs are all packaged together. 2 sticks, glue and oil. Okay, you should have nails, hammer and sandpaper. Here is actually your acrylic paint, a paintbrush and a palette. So first off, we're going to sand them down. Our sandpaper is 320 grit paper. So we're going to sand them down using it. And then now I'm going to start with the huge blocks first. So what you want to take note is that you want to make sure you understand the wood direction. So let me bring this up. Okay, so if you can see finally, there's actually the grains are actually moving upwards direction. So we're going to send it in this motion, up, down, up, down. Okay, so this is for this. And then for the legs wise, we actually take them together. This is one leg and this is the other leg. So you want to actually send them down like leg 1 first and leg 2 later. And then we have 2 more steps here. Okay, so once you have sent down all the sides here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you can take a little piece of paper like that. Like so. And then you're just going to sand down the edges here. And then for me, what I like to do is I like to check against my finger, just gently. Just check whether it's going to cut you. If it's not cutting, then it means that it's rounded and that is good enough. Okay, so let's start sanding. Okay, so now we will start sanding the legs. So for the legs, I'm going to just, this is leg 1, so I'm going to just pick it up. That's going to start sanding. Same thing, you're going to go with the grain, upward direction like that. So you're going to do it on all sides, like that. Just a mild sanding on the center area, okay? Let's go. So same thing, after that, if you want to do is you want to actually sand off the edges as well. So it's a repetition of everything. So you make sure you sand them all, then we can start assembly. Go. Okay, so I have sanded my legs. So this is leg 1. And I have leg 2 here. So I'm going to keep them like that. And while the next thing first, we're going to assemble our chair seat. Okay, so if you take a look at your chair seat, right, there's actually 2 holes on one of it and then 2 holes on the side of it. Okay, so what you want to do, we actually want to match them up this way. So they should be a match. And then first off, we're just going to put glue on this side here. I like to squiggle my glue, just to make sure they are sort of even. Then use your finger. If you don't want, you can wear a glove, but for me, I usually use finger, and then I'll wrap it on the cloth later. This is wood white glue. So you don't take, the glue needs around 24 hours to dry. So remember that even after your chair is done, you're going to wait for it 24 hours. Okay, so now, it should be a match. So what I want to do is I want to put my nail through here. I'm going to find the other hole. You see? Okay, we're going to find the other hole. And then, okay, so this has a big jagged here. So I think this should be on the other side. Comes in different hole. Okay, got it. Sorry. So this is here. Okay. It's like playing masak. So you're going to find the pieces. And then now, once they are done, we're just going to slightly knock it in first. Okay. And then the other side, I'm going to go through. It should go through as easy as possible. It should be flush. So just make sure it's okay if the glue comes out. You have your cloth, so you're going to just use the cloth later to wipe it off. And knock it in down, like that. Okay. If you have any glue, you're going to use the cloth to actually wipe it away if you want. Okay, so the chair is done. We're going to leave it to the side to dry for a little while. Meanwhile, we can start on the legs. So the leg is supposed to look like a Japanese gate. So you're going to find all the holes. There's one side that's hole, this is the leg. So these two are actually going to be the same length here. Okay, so this will be your legs. And we're just going to match the hole to this hole here. Okay. And then this will come in the side here. So when doing it, you want to make sure that you always put glue first. You're going to put glue here. Put glue and then we're going to nail it down from here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do it now. done the other leg. So a trick that I've realized, this is my first time doing the DIY kit as well. We're going to try play around with the holes a little bit to see which one does it match and which is the closer to the holes. Because sometimes the wood warp, because it's such a small piece, right, it kind of warps, so we have to actually fit the hole, fit the nail into the hole, and then we're going to hammer it down. So after all, it's just going to, the glue is going to bond everything together, the nails is just extra reinforcement for that. Okay, so now that we're done, we have two Japanese gate, really cute. And then now we are going to, you can start to paint your chair, and if you don't want to paint, you can just start to oil it. Okay, so meanwhile, you can paint the chair later, but meanwhile what we want to do is, I'm going to flip this two over, like that. We're going to add on the other two sticks here, okay? But we're not going to use any nails for this, because this is actually good enough on its own. So what we're going to do is we want to put glue on the ends of here, okay? Sorry for the holes on my, this is the scrapbook that I use, so this. So we're going to put the glue on two sides, okay? And then if you want to stabilize your legs, I'm going to use the chair first to come in, just so it's stabilized. So this piece is going to go to either side, the ends of the chair, alright? So with the chair in the middle, you should realize that actually you can straighten it like that, okay? So once you straighten it, you realize that sometimes it's not really like super accurate, because sometimes, like I said, the wood tends to warp, so we're going to play with it. This is the wood properties, and we're going to respect that. So for me, I always just, so once I make sure that they are aligned and they are the place that I want, I'm just going to lightly squeeze it down. Okay, just put some pressure on it for around 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to repeat on the other side for the other sticks. Okay. Put the glue, always put the glue, because the glue is the most important part of the working. It bonds the wood together. Rather than using nails and all, I usually prefer clamping it. Because the DIY kit, we do not have the clamping for you guys, so we're just going to make do with just strong glue. Okay, so same thing. Just going to press it down so that it's in place. Okay, you can use some force. I'm using quite a bit of force just to make sure they are stabilized. Okay, so now that it's done, just lightly just put the chair outside. Okay, give it a bit more tug. Okay, so this will be left to dry. Okay, so you leave it to dry on the side, and then now you can start painting your chair. Okay, so I have painted my chair seat. I'm going to let it dry. Meanwhile, we're just going to take our oil over here, our cloth, and then we're going to use the oil for a little bit, and then we're just going to apply onto all the sides that are exposed. So you're going to repeat that for the whole piece here, okay, and then we'll go back to the chair seat. Okay, I'm done with my chair. Now I have my seat, and then I am going to put glue on the two sticks here. Spread it. You can put some on the sides here as well, because these are the parts that are going to stick to your chair seat. Just going to put on this right here, a bit here as well. Okay. And then now we're going to try to fit it in. So if you can't fit it in, it's okay. You can just pry open a little bit, and if one of the sticks drops out, we can glue them back again. Okay, so what I want to do is try to fit it in slowly. And then after fitting it in, I'm going to squeeze it again, same as what we did just now. I'm going to squeeze it to make sure that it's not wobbly. Okay, I think I used a bit too much strength. Yeah. So you can check the staples behind. Okay, so one of it has been pushed up. So I'm just going to squeeze in this direction. You can see there's glue, right? So if there's glue popping out, you want to actually just wipe it clean with a cloth, or if you have wet tissue, you can use that also. Okay, oh. Okay, so now that it's all intact. Oops. Okay, so it really came out. So what I want to do is I want to reinforce it. And put a little bit more glue here. Okay. Right, and this on top. And like I said, I'm do it in a squeezing motion. So I'm pressing the two sticks down with my hand, and I'm going to squeeze it down this way. Because the glue needs 24 hours to dry. So if you have the time, let it dry, then continue with the attachment of everything. Because I'm doing the DIY kit on the spot now, so it kind of didn't really dry well, so it's okay. So I'm going to leave it one day, I think, and then after you're done, you can do some touch up on your chairs, everything, and then you'll wait for one day, one full day, 24 hours to dry, and then you can use it as a phone stand like this. Okay, I'm not going to put too much strength, so this is the phone stand, and ta-da, you have a chair! Thank you! See you soon!